We are your engine experts, and across the entire life cycle of your engine, we support you with the right product. SAVEPlus is our intelligent solution for operators of aging engines. We provide alternatives to save costs for MRO-intensive assets. How do we do this? If an engine will be flown for a longer period, it usually is worth repairing. We do this in a smarter way and tailor the work scope to the engine's planned service life, because your MRO invest must always be worth it. Often, this means exchanging parts with used serviceable material. If you operate a larger fleet, we will tear down the engines and salvage the maximum amount of material for your usage, or we source it for you at competitive prices. Also, you can rest assured that the parts are high quality, traceable, and have the MTU stamp of approval. When repairing is no longer the most cost-effective option, we will provide you with immediate thrust instead, through an exchange or a lease engine that offers the required cycles until phase-out. There is no one-size-fits-all solution. Count on us to tailor the best one for your aging fleet. SAVEPlus, reduced cost with smart strategies for mature engines. Contact us and find your solution.